Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Botanical Dreams Oracle by Lynn Araujo. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, I do apologize if I am not. And artwork by Catrin Welz-Stein, and if that name sounds familiar and the art as well, that is the creator of the Tarot and the Oracle of Mystical Moments. So I am excited about this. This looks beautiful. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. It is a brand new release with 56 cards and a 68-page guidebook. This retails for $23.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Welcome to the Garden of Wisdom. Here you will encounter luscious landscapes and botanical collages full of visual and emotional elements to be explored in much the same way you would delve into dream imagery for self-knowledge. From the moment the sun rises in the morning and the birds begin their sweet songs, the garden sanctuary welcomes you with gentle gifts of insight, inspiration, and healing. The 56 cards and 68-page full-color illustrated guidebook leads you along the path through transformation and enlightenment. All you need to bring is your imagination, and each time you visit, you will discover something new. All right, well, I do really like the packaging here. I love the color. Okay, here's the back of the cards. Oh my gosh, it looks like a stained glass window. So pretty. And before we get into that, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here just to see if there's any information that we need to check in on before using this. Okay, it looks like it's just like any other oracle. You can kind of utilize it how you see fit. We do have the Garden of Wisdom spread in the back here. This is beautiful. Awesome. And then about the creators. Okay, well, let's get into the cards here. So it looks like there's a little bit of a gloss coating on here. I wouldn't call it high gloss. This is that nice US Game Systems cardstock. I really like it. It's right in that sweet spot for me personally with the medium thickness of the cardstock. It's not super thin, very flexible, and it snaps back really nicely. Okay, and they're a nice width too. They're not tiny, they're not too big. I like it. All right, here we go. We have the number and the words down at the bottom, title of the card. It says Pearls of Wisdom, just in case it might be too small on the screen. Summer Dreaming. Self-acceptance. This is beautiful. Green Vibrations. Violet Lady. The Warrior. Desert Dreams. The colors. Hibiscus. Lavender Bliss. That's so pretty. Ooh. The Ferryman. Nurture Yourself. Spider Woman. Observe. Confidence. Seeds of Love. Oh. New chapter. Oh, the cats. Ooh, wallflower. Sense of wonder. Meditation. Knowledge. Another cat. Blessings. Windflower. Little pet snail. Visionary. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, soulmates. Tangled thoughts. Harmony. I love how this artwork combines so many natural elements with the human form. And my cat is chasing or trying to play chase with my dog at the moment, so I do apologize if you hear any of it. Moonlight reflections. Illumination. Oh, that's so pretty. Abundance. Rise up. Masks. Choices. Grace. Make a wish. Floating world. Cherry blossoms. Curate your life. Plant me a tree. Self-support. Determination. Ooh, foundation. Sanctuary. Stunning. Heart song. Tea party. Wisdom. Boundaries. I love that. Two little birds. Forest bathing. Oh. Manifestation. Deep dive. Believe in magic. Refinement. Creativity blooms. Cycles of life. Oh, soul sisters. Eagerness. And stardust. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay. See how they shuffle here. Whoop. Oh yeah. Nice. do want to try it side by side here. Oh yeah, okay. We can still do that. Perfect and overhand. That one wanted to come out. Yes, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we're going to read in the guidebook for Tea Party, number 44. All right. Invite yourself into the garden for a cup of tea. Serve yourself with the finest china and offer yourself delectable treats. Surround yourself with the things of exquisite beauty. Spread your arms wide, for who is more deserving of a lavish welcome than you? Whatever you would do for your most beloved friends, do now for the person who has always forgiven you when you've stumbled and picked you up when you were down. There's no need to wait for other guests to arrive. You are here, and you are enough. Treat yourself to joyful things. Celebrate your life. Cheers. That's really sweet. I think that this is great. I feel like this is very gentle, very healing, very much an everyday oracle deck to use. I feel like this is very beneficial for a multitude of different types of readings. It's very beautifully done. I am a fan of Catrin's work, and it's a very simple, straightforward oracle with a guidebook here, as well as, the cards themselves are pretty intuitive forward. Regardless your level of reading, whether you're intermediate or beginner or expert level, I think you'll get a wonderful use out of this deck. It's gorgeous. The quality is great. And there's something very timeless about this style of artwork. So definitely check this out if you have these two decks and enjoy using them, because I have a feeling this is just going to work wonderfully with these decks as well. So if you do have these, are you excited for this Botanical Dreams Oracle? Is this a deck that you've been chomping at the bit to come out? I know that I have been looking forward to it for quite some time, so I'm excited about it. And I would love to know all of your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I think it is absolutely stunning. I'm excited to get to know it further. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.